Mevo Cloud. Power your digital future.
Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. Use the following command to download the consul installation package. Next, run the following command to unzip this package. After this, move the consul binary to the next directory. If you run the next command, this will display the installed consul version. Create a system user, call it consul, with the next command. Next, create the configuration directory where a consul will store its settings. Run the next command to create the database directory where a consul will store runtime data. Assign ownership of the configuration and data directory to the consul user with the next command. Set permission on this directory so only the consul user and administrator can access them. Next, create the following file and add the following configuration inside this file. Open the NANO text editor to create a systemd servers file for consul. Pass the following content. Run the next command to reload the system to recognize the new consul servers file. Enable the consul servers so it starts automatically on boot. Use the following command to start the consul servers. You can check the current status of the consul servers with the next command. Now go into your web browser, use your server IP address with the next port. Now you have access to consul. That's it. If you have any question, please leave them in comments.